Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at this engine that I received from Just Running Trains. First, let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. This model is a Lionel C&O 060T cab number 67. The detail is really nice. The engine doesn't have any sounds besides a whistle, but in my opinion that's okay. It does have one set of false wheels, but other than that, the detail on this engine is really nice. Now let's see her run around the layout. Let's test out that whistle. The model's a really nice, just small engine. It runs really smooth, and the smoke in it is really nice. Now let's hook up some rolling stock. Now that we've got some rolling stock, let's see how it runs. The smoke unit on this model is absolutely amazing and puffs out a ton of smoke. With my testing of this model, I have had one problem that sticks out, and it's that the model's rear coupler tends to uncouple a decent amount, but other than that, it's an amazing model. Yeah, like that. Now let's try some freight cars. Now that we've got some freight cars, let's see how it runs. The matching C&O tank car looks really good with it, but other than the fact that the engine's super small, it looks pretty good, in my opinion. That will be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you don't mind liking and subscribing, it helps out a ton, and it's completely free, and you can cancel it whenever you want. Also, a big thank you to Just Running Trains for letting me borrow this engine, because if that didn't happen, this video would have not been possible.